hope y'all are comfortable. Let's cover off. So I don't know if y'all remember this from yesterday, but the firing order of this engine is 153624. And the markings to determine what cylinder is going to be fired is on the front of the engine. It's on the air compressor. So right now, if you can see right there, that's mark C, and there's actually a little bitty mark right back here, and you're gonna line that up with this little indentation on the gear train cover. Again, this is an ISM M11 on a select. It's going to be a CM870. So let me get this lined up. I'm going to put y'all back inside, and then we'll break cylinder 4 loose if we are in fact on cylinder 4. So 1, 5, 3, and we're going to have to do a full rotation because C is going to be for cylinders 3, which is this one here. Sorry, 3 and cylinder 4. You can see cylinder 3, the push tube for the exhaust and the intake both roll. On cylinder 4, see that intake is under tension, the exhaust is not. So right now we are on a compression stroke for cylinder 3. You can also tell that because the injector is actually going down, as opposed to this one, the injector is up. I'm gonna put y'all back in the cab.
Hey, do you have the international?